You slept 8 hours, skipped your coffee, still feel drained before lunch? Wait, what if the real reason you're tired has nothing to do with sleep? 75% of people walk around in a state of chronic dehydration. And dehydration doesn't always feel like thirst. It feels like mental fog, sluggish limbs, even low mood. Pause here. Are you breathing through your nose right now? Mouth breathing lowers oxygen intake and tricks your brain into fatigue mode. You think you're boosting energy, but high-carb, low-protein snacks spike your insulin and crash your system. It's like burning paper instead of wood. Every ping, every scroll feels like connection, but it's draining your dopamine reservoir. And low dopamine means low motivation. And yes, more fatigue. Your space shapes your energy. Poor lighting, noise pollution, clutter all are invisible vampires. So the next time you feel tired, but haven't done anything, remember your body has. It's been fighting low water, bad food, shallow breath, toxic scrolls, and a messy room. You're not broken. You're underinformed. Now you're not. Fix one of these today and your future self will thank you. Subscribe now if you're ready to master your energy.